Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way so nothing blocks upload. You sign into YouTube, confirm the app is updated, and allow camera, mic, and storage access. Once done, open your tablet gallery and pick a vertical clip. 9, 16 under 60 seconds, MP4 or MOV works best. Make sure your tablet has Wi-Fi and at least 20% battery. Then tap the plus create button in the YouTube app to move into the editor. Now you handle the more detailed edits that make viewers stick around. You trim and split clips, adjust playback speed, and remove dead space so every second matters. Then add music from the library, captions for accessibility, and on-screen text timed to key moments. As you finish, enter a concise title, a helpful description with hash shorts, set the audience to not made for kids if applicable, and pick a clear thumbnail. Those choices affect reach and watch time, so make them deliberate. Finish by selecting visibility, public for immediate reach, unlisted to share privately, or schedule for a peak time, then tap upload or publish. Watch the upload indicator and wait for YouTube to finish processing, only then share your link. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check that the file is MP4/MOV under 60 seconds and that you have storage and Wi-Fi. Clear the app cache or restart the tablet if uploads stall. Retry after a quick reboot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.